Let us see one more TET question. If sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 315, then we need to find out middle number among them. First let us assume 5 consecutive odd numbers. To make problem easy, we will assume 5 consecutive odd numbers as n minus 5, n minus 3, n minus 1, n plus 1, n plus 3. They have given that their sum is 315. What is this sum? 5n minus 5, which is 315. What is n from here? 5 6 are 30, 5 3 is 15. So n minus 1 is 63, which is the required answer.